Okay, here we are with a project. I've got a 64-inch machine, and what we want to do is replace the machine. As you can see, we've got water all over on the floor. Notice that we've got scrapping area. The chef just said to me two major important things are they want to be able to put sheet trays through the dishwasher, and secondly, they do not like this side loader. Also mentioned, love to have the machine off the wall so that they can get behind it to clean it. Here's what we've got. They have plenty of room to move the clean table down. So now it's up to me to present a price for exactly what they have now, and then present a price on a new layout as to what we recommend. So Tony, this is where I need you. Booster heater, little under counter. They don't use this whole scrapping slanted rack area. They only use half of it.